Excavator and construction vehicles. Cat 988B wheel loader. Cat 988B wheel loader. The Cat 988B is a high-performance wheel loader built for large-scale material handling operations. It features a powerful diesel engine and a heavy-duty frame for enhanced durability and efficiency. With its large bucket capacity and advanced hydraulics, it can handle tough excavation and loading tasks with ease. Cenobogan excavator grapple. Cenobogan excavator grapple. The Cenobogan excavator grapple is a specialized attachment designed for material handling in construction, recycling, and forestry applications. It features powerful hydraulic jaws for gripping and moving large objects. This tool improves efficiency in demolition, scrap handling, and bulk material transport. ThyssenKrupp Barracuda bucket wheel excavator. ThyssenKrupp Barracuda bucket wheel excavator. The ThyssenKrupp Barracuda is a massive bucket wheel excavator designed for large-scale mining and earth-moving operations. It features a rotating wheel fitted with buckets that continuously scoop up material for efficient excavation. This machine is known for its high productivity and ability to handle enormous quantities of soil and rock.
SANY crawler crane.
SANY crawler crane. The SANY crawler crane is a powerful lifting machine used in construction and heavy lifting operations. It features a crawler track system for stability on uneven surfaces. With its high lifting capacity, it is ideal for infrastructure projects and industrial applications. Cat Forestry grapple. Cat Forestry grapple. The Cat Forestry grapple is a specialized attachment designed for handling logs and timber in forestry operations. Its powerful hydraulic system enables precise gripping and movement of heavy loads. This equipment enhances efficiency and safety in logging and wood processing industries. Cat 320D Amphibious excavator. Cat 320D Amphibious excavator. The Cat 320D Amphibious excavator is designed for operations in wetland areas, swamps, and shallow water. It features special floating pontoons that allow it to move through difficult terrains without sinking. This machine is widely used for dredging, flood prevention, and environmental restoration projects. Cat 994 wheel loader. Cat 994 wheel loader. The Cat 994 wheel loader is a powerhouse designed for large-scale mining and construction projects. Its immense lifting capacity and strong hydraulic system allow for efficient material loading and transportation. With a durable design and operator-friendly controls, it ensures high productivity and reliability.
P&H 4800 XPC electric rope shovel.
Cat mining excavator. The Cat mining excavator is built for large-scale mining operations, featuring a high-capacity bucket and a powerful engine. Its advanced hydraulic system provides superior digging force and efficiency. This machine is essential for extracting minerals and moving heavy materials in challenging environments.
ETF quarry dump truck.
ETF quarry dump truck. The ETF quarry dump truck is a massive mining vehicle designed for transporting large volumes of materials in quarries and mines. It features a modular design, making maintenance and operation more efficient. With its powerful engine and heavy-duty frame, it can handle the toughest hauling tasks. Cat excavator digger. Cat excavator digger. The Cat excavator digger is a versatile earth-moving machine used in construction, mining, and demolition projects. It features a powerful hydraulic system and a durable boom for precise digging and lifting operations. Its advanced technology and operator comfort features make it a reliable choice for heavy-duty work. JCB 560-80. JCB 560-80. The JCB 560-80 is a telehandler designed for lifting and transporting heavy materials in construction and agriculture. It features an extendable boom for reaching high areas and handling loads with precision. Its robust design and strong hydraulic system make it highly versatile.
Low-flying ecranoplan.
Low-flying ecranoplan. The low-flying ecranoplan is a unique aircraft that operates close to the water's surface, using ground effect for lift. It combines the speed of an airplane with the efficiency of a hovercraft. Originally developed for military and transport applications, it offers fast and fuel-efficient travel over water. Forestry self-propelled crane. Logging truck. A logging truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed to transport logs from forests to processing facilities. It features a reinforced chassis and powerful engine to handle heavy loads over rough terrain. These trucks play a crucial role in the timber and forestry industries.
Corn harvesters.
Corn harvester. A corn harvester is a machine used for efficiently harvesting corn crops in agricultural fields. It features specialized cutting and stripping mechanisms to separate the kernels from the stalks. This equipment improves efficiency and reduces labor costs during the harvesting season. Cat 994 wheel loader. Cat 994 wheel loader. The Cat 994 is one of the largest wheel loaders produced by Caterpillar, designed for heavy-duty mining and construction tasks. It boasts an impressive payload capacity and a powerful engine for efficient material handling. Its advanced hydraulic system and robust frame ensure durability and superior performance in demanding environments.
Cabbage harvester.
Cabbage harvester. A cabbage harvester is a mechanized agricultural machine designed to efficiently harvest cabbage from the field. It uses advanced cutting and conveyor systems to minimize crop damage and maximize yield. This machine significantly speeds up the harvesting process, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. Comia C12 Combine Harvester. Comia C12 Rice Harvester. The Comia C12 Rice Harvester is a high-performance machine designed for harvesting rice efficiently. It features an advanced threshing and separation system that ensures minimal grain loss and high productivity. This harvester is widely used in large rice farms for fast and effective crop collection. Farm backhoe. Farm backhoe. A farm backhoe is a multifunctional machine used for digging, trenching, and material handling in agricultural settings. It features a backhoe arm for excavation and a front loader for lifting and carrying loads. This machine is essential for farm infrastructure development and land management. Scania Autonomous Truck. Scania Autonomous Truck. The Scania Autonomous Truck is a self-driving vehicle designed for efficient and safe transportation in logistics and mining industries. It uses advanced AI and sensor technology to navigate roads and optimize fuel consumption. This innovation represents the future of automated trucking.
Planter machine.
Planter machine. A planter machine is an agricultural device used for planting seeds in rows with precision. It ensures uniform seed distribution and optimal soil coverage for better crop yields. Modern planter machines come with advanced automation for efficient large-scale farming.